guys, two chicks and a tool belt here. Right now I'm getting ready to spray my kitchen island again for the third or fourth time. My husband's really excited and I'm going to be painting it again. Not. So this is the Earlex HVLP, the 5500 spray station. It's our favorite sprayer, and you'll see why. I have our color Beechwood in here. I did add about a tablespoon-ish of water, mixed it in really good. This particular gun comes with a 2.0 millimeter tip. I did buy a larger needle and tip, a 2.5 millimeter. That's what I'm working with tonight. And so I'm just gonna start spraying and let you see how slick it is. Okay, so the back side of the island is finished. It probably took 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I obviously need to do the sides and the front. I'm actually going to take the drawer fronts off and spray them outside. And normally I would put plastic down on the ground and wrap my counters in plastic, things like that. But because we're replacing the floor and we're actually replacing the counters next week, I wasn't terribly concerned about it. The cardboard works really well. There's not a lot of overspray with this unit, so I kept cardboard here and here just so that I didn't spray appliances and things like that. So it's a really nice unit, and if you want to purchase one, give us a call. We've got a great deal on them. 801-613-8322. Thanks. Have a great night.